Welcome, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to make a healthy breakfast? Well, it's more than just the first meal of the day. It's the launchpad that kickstarts your metabolism and provides the energy to keep you active all day long. A healthy breakfast isn't just about eating something, it's about eating the right things. Think proteins, fiber, and good fats. These are the key components that make breakfast not only the most important, but also the most beneficial meal of the day. Stay tuned to find out how to whip up a nutritious and delicious breakfast in no time. Starting with a make-ahead option, overnight oats. It's perfect for those busy mornings. This breakfast is a no-cook method of making oatmeal. Instead of cooking your oats with liquid, you mix rolled oats with the liquid and other mix-ins, and let it rest in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you have a ready-to-eat, creamy, delicious bowl of oatmeal. The magic begins with a base of old-fashioned rolled oats, combined with a liquid. You can use anything from water, milk, to yogurt, depending on your preference. The oats absorb the liquid during the night, softening them in the same way cooking would, but without the effort. Next, we add chia seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with fiber, which aids in digestion. And they also give the oats a thicker, pudding-like texture. Now, let's add some flavor. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup, a splash of vanilla extract, or a sprinkle of cinnamon can work wonders. In the morning, give your oats a good stir. You'll notice they've become thick and creamy. That's the perfect consistency. Now it's time for the fun part: toppings. Fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, or even a dollop of yogurt can be added to your liking. Each ingredient adds its own nutritional benefits, making this a balanced and wholesome start to your day. And there you have it, a bowl of overnight oats, ready to fuel your day. Next up, a classic favorite with a healthy twist: avocado toast with a poached egg. Let's dive right into the making of this delightful dish. We start with a slice of whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates that will keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Place the slice in the toaster and let it do its magic while we move on to the next step. Now, let's turn our attention to the star of this dish, the avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber, making them a fantastic addition to any meal. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to the avocado. This not only prevents the avocado from browning, but also adds a subtle tangy flavor that perfectly complements the creaminess of the avocado. Using a fork, mash the avocado until it reaches your desired consistency. While our toast is getting crispy and our avocado is now a beautiful, creamy spread, let's move on to the protein powerhouse of this dish, the poached egg. Crack an egg into a small bowl. Bring a pot of water to a simmer, add a splash of vinegar, and carefully slide the egg into the water. Let it cook for about 4 minutes to achieve that perfect runny yolk. Now, it's time to assemble our toast. Spread the mashed avocado generously over the toasted bread. Then, using a slotted spoon, carefully lift the poached egg out of the water. Drain off any excess water, and place it on top of the avocado spread. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and voila! Your avocado toast with a poached egg is ready. This dish offers a perfect balance of complex carbohydrates from the bread, healthy fats from the avocado, and protein from the egg. A meal that not only tastes delicious, but also nourishes your body, providing you with the energy you need to tackle the day. Simple yet satisfying, this avocado toast will keep you energized until lunchtime. Lastly, for those who prefer a light, on-the-go option, a green smoothie. Imagine a breakfast that's nutrient-packed, easy to digest, and can be prepared in under 5 minutes. That's the beauty of our green smoothie. It's not just a drink, it's a power-packed meal that gives you a vibrant start to your day. Let's dive into the process. Start with a generous handful of fresh spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, loaded with vitamins A, C, K, and essential minerals. Next, add in a ripe banana. Bananas not only give the smoothie a creamy texture but also provide a healthy dose of potassium and natural sugars for a quick energy boost. Now, pour in a cup of almond milk. This dairy-free option is light on the stomach and adds a hint of nutty flavor. Almond milk also brings calcium and vitamin E to the mix. Lastly, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it keeps you feeling full longer. This is particularly beneficial for those who have an active morning routine. Blend all these ingredients till smooth, and your green smoothie is ready. It's as simple as that. This smoothie is a perfect blend of nutrients, making it an ideal breakfast choice. You can even customize it with your favorite fruits or seeds for an added health kick. And there you have it, 3 easy, healthy breakfast options that will help start your day on the right note. So, there you go, 3 simple, quick, and healthy breakfast recipes. We've got overnight oats, a delightful mix of oats and fruits. Then there's avocado toast with poached egg, a savory plate packed with good fats and proteins. And of course, the green smoothie, your daily dose of fruits and veggies in a glass. These recipes underscore that a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complex or time-consuming. Remember, a good day starts with a good breakfast. So, make these recipes your own and kickstart your day with a healthy meal. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant change to your diet or adding new beverages, especially if you have specific health concerns or condition. What is your favorite healthy breakfast? Tell us in the comment down below. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Until next time, stay healthy.